hurt in Jantar Mantar. And honestly, the one question that everyone is getting asked is, do you know that this is caused by some fringe element? This is caused by some other countries, agents, and whatnot, right? So the question is, who does a protest belong to? And I've written a few lines for it, and I would really like for us to think about it, talk about it, because I think some basic concepts of political science are not clear to many people around us, and that's why it is becoming easy for us to be manipulated by the government in the center, right? So, who does a protest belong to? Ask that the way you'd ask, who does an ache belong to? It belongs to all of us. It belongs to the fearless, to the ones who stopped whispering and started shouting truth straight to power's face. You want to know who the enemy is? Check your assumptions first. You think it is a party. You think it is a fringe name. And you think we will be forgotten. No, a protest is not a faction. A protest is a piece of history clearing its throat, speaking through 1,000 voices that finally decided to speak as one. So when they ask, who does a protest belong to? Tell them it belongs to the unheard. Tell them it belongs to the unheard. Inkilab Zindabad.
मैं एक स्टूडेंट हूँ एंड I've given NEET twice. 2025 was the first time I gave NEET, and this was the second year. I took a drop year just for NEET, and I thought the exam went well. I thought I'd get a seat, but of course the NEET got cancelled. I was extremely demoralized. और पूरा एक महीना जो गैप मिला था उसमें मेरे से पढ़ना बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ, because I know as a student that is prepared for NEET for the past 3 years, I know the stress, I know the anxiety that a student goes through, and I did not want to be in that position again. But somehow I mustered up the courage. I gave that exam. I was only able to qualify for the exam. I don't know what will happen now, but I hope for the best, and I hope you keep all the NEET students in your prayers, because we've all been through so much and we continue to suffer in this country, and a country that claims that we are Vishwa Gurus. भाई अगर हम विश्व गुरु है तो वैसे बनो भी ना. What is the Prime Minister doing? The Prime Minister is going on world tours. Is this how a country is supposed to be? Is this how the world's largest democracy is supposed to be? I don't know if everyone knows, but right now our country has fallen to the 85th position in the democracy ranking, because we are partially authoritarian, and that is a very huge thing. It is not good at all. Where is our country progressing? If we were in a race, India would be running backwards instead of going forwards because of how the government is running right now. Thank you. I'm sorry. That's all I have to say.
Actually, presently, all of the coming at the Hyderabad protest here, what were the demands that students are asking now?
Okay, the main demands that the students have here is, of course, they want fair exams to be conducted. That is one thing. The second thing is that we want Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation, because he needs to be held accountable. It's not only him. People will say that it's only the Modi government that you're asking, like खाली मोदी गवर्नमेंट की रेजिग्नेशन क्यों पूछ रहे? It is not कि हम लोग खाली मोदी गवर्नमेंट की रेजिग्नेशन पूछ रहे. जब मुंबई में जब ताज होटल में जो अटैक हुआ था, टेररिस्ट अटैक, वो टाइम पे भी मिनिस्टर्स रिजाइन करे थे because they felt accountable. अब यहाँ पर हम हमारे because we've been through this, because education system अभी इतना बुरा हो गया है, we are asking for accountability. हमको बस accountability चाहिए. आप accountability दो, then we are only called a democracy. अगर आप accountability नहीं ले रहे, अगर आप resign नहीं कर रहे, तो India is no less than a dictatorship. बचा क्या?
दिल्ली में जो 2 दिन पहले पुलिस ने स्टूडेंट्स के ऊपर लाठियां चलाई थी, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहिए?
That is, जो दिल्ली में हुआ, जो पुलिस ब्रूटैलिटी थी, that is highly undemocratic. बहुत अनडेमोक्रेटिक था वो प्रोटेस्टर्स पीसफुली प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे. दे हैड फ्लावर्स, उन लोग के पास फ्लावर्स और बुक्स थे. उन लोग लिटरली पैरों के बल गिर गए थे कि अब हमें मत मारो. ये डेमोक्रेसी है? आप बोले कि ये डेमोक्रेसी कैसे हो सकती है जहाँ पर हम हमारे हक के लिए, समथिंग दैट इज सपोज्ड टू बी आवर राइट, एजुकेशन इज आवर राइट, उसके लिए हम प्रोटेस्ट नहीं कर सकते, वो भी पीसफुली? तो हम खाक डेमोक्रेसी है यार, क्या है ये? So, bhai, this is highly undemocratic that they attack protesters. They should not have done that. They should not have retaliated that way, especially to protesters that were protesting peacefully. It was very undemocratic, and the media that is very much extremely funded by Modi, they're saying they're running claims that the protesters attacked first. But there's many protesters that are eyewitnesses that the police has staged the attacks, saying there was actually police dressed in civil uniforms acting as protesters that attacked the police themselves. भाई ये क्या है? हम प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे, हम डिसेंट दिखा रहे. डिसेंट इज अ राइट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी यार. ये नहीं हो सकता. डेमोक्रेसी अगर है तो हमारी प्रोटेस्टिंग भी राइट है. थैंक यू.
इस वजह से
प्रोटेस्ट हम लोग नीट पेपर लीक के वजह से कर रहे हैं. हम लोग के राइट्स के वास्ते कर रहे हैं. धर्मेंद्र प्रसाद के रेजिग्नेशन के वास्ते कर रहे हैं. उन्होंने एज एन एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर ही डजंट फिट राइट. पेपर्स आर लीकिंग, नॉट जस्ट नीट, बहुत सारे पेपर्स लीक हो रहे हैं. हर मोस्टली ऑलमोस्ट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के, सीबीएसई के हर पेपर लीक हो रहे हैं. तो हम लोग के राइट के वास्ते आए.
पुलिस ने ऐसा
पुलिस
पुलिस की जो स्टूडेंट का रवैया था उसके ऊपर क्या बोलना चाहिए?
बहुत ही ब्रूटल था. उन लोगों को जर्री भी शर्म नहीं है. ह्यूमैनिटी कहाँ गई भाई इंसानों की? इंसान है, बच्चे है, उन लोग कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहे. शेमलेस, हार्टलेस पीपल दे आर. दिल ही नहीं है, ऐसे लोग हैं वो.
आज एक ट्वीट करें जल्द से जल्द फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट में इसको ट्रीट किया जाएगा, तो उसके ऊपर क्या बोलना चाहिए?
नहीं देखा मैं वो.
अभी आप जंतर मंतर के बारे में वहाँ पे जो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं उन लोग के लिए क्या बोलना चाहिए?
I am so proud of each and every person standing there, raising their voice behalf of all the students who have suffered. हर एक जने वहाँ पे जो भी मौजूद है, I am very proud of them. They are doing right. They are raising their voice. Finally, everyone has rised up. I am so happy for them, and I am very proud of every person present there.
I'm Shoma and I'm kind of nervous. I'm a first year literature student and also a teacher. I'm here on behalf of all my students, those little ones who said, "Dharmendra Pradhan istifa do." Yes, yes. आप हिपोक्रेसी नहीं समझ रहे हो. पहले हम क्रोनोलॉजी समझेंगे. धर्मेंद्र प्रधान इस्तीफा देगा नहीं, हम दिलवाएंगे. Today I'm going to tell you a small poem I wrote. Let's just read it. Oh my nation, I come to you with flowers and peace in my hand, with hope that you will give us a better future, with a hope